In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add multiple positions at the same company on LinkedIn. First things first, let's head over to the LinkedIn website, and from here you then want to click on your profile icon. Inside, you just want to scroll down, navigate through experience, and click on add experience. Now let's say that my position is going to be cashier on a specific company, and let's say that company is going to be Walmart. Let's just click on the save button. Now I'm going to add some random dates right here, just make everything up. And to add another position from the same company, you can just once again scroll down, click on the plus icon, click on add position. And from here, let's then go ahead and say that my second position is going to be team manager. And once again, I'm going to type Walmart right here. Enter your start date and end date. Click on the save button, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.